Well, a Treasure Coast father's back in court fighting to see his son.
But the child's biological mother has state law on her side. News Channel 5's Michelle Casada is live from Fort Pierce on what must happen for this dad to see his son. Michelle?
Well, Michael Kelly, a judge has to decide if it's in the child's best interest for his biological father to take a DNA test and be declared his father. Right now, state law only recognizes one legal father, the biological mother's husband.
Do you object to Mr. Karpinski's paternity action? Yes.
For the first time, we hear from the woman who is using a Florida law to keep her son's biological father out of the child's life. In court Friday, Sanja Shaw Greco testified she never had plans to divorce her husband, even though she was pregnant with another man's child.
Have you and Mr. Greco decided to raise the child as a child of your marriage and to accept all the rights and responsibilities of parenthood? Yes.
Florida law recognizes the child belongs to the marriage. John Karpinski says he wants to be a part of his son's life, who he says he built a relationship with the first 18 months after his birth.
I tried to stay out of the courts. Nobody wants to go through this. Everyone wants to throw money at each other.
Sanja Shaw testified Karpinski only provided diapers twice after the baby was born, and the only reason she allowed him to see the child was because she didn't know about her rights under a Florida law.
That's when I found out my rights, and that's when I ended visitations. And I told John that if he wanted to pursue anything, he would have to do it with legal action.
Shaw's attorney argued Karpinski has no ground to get a paternity test because the only way he can prove he's an exception to the Florida law is if he can show he has built a bond and relationship with his son.
Would it be fair to say that at this juncture you have no relationship with that child?
Not by my choosing.
Karpinski testified that he tried to file for paternity on his own but had no grounds to because the Florida law already recognizes a legal father. New at 6, we hear from the biological mother's husband. Reporting live from Fort Pierce, Michelle Casada, WPTV News Channel 5.